Hi guys, I just wanted to show you my grandfather's watch. It was his watch, and when he passed away, it was handed down to my father, and my father passed away. It is now mine, and it is let me just open it. It's a Mortima watch, 17 jewels, unbreakable spring, anti-magnetic. Yeah, I don't know when my grandfather got it and how old this watch is, but it is pretty good condition. There's slight damage in the front, as you can see. I do apologize for the video quality. I have a really cheap phone, unfortunately. Damage there, and this bit of damage front, as you can see. Yeah, I did a little research on it, and it's not that valuable actually. It's pretty common. It's only worth a couple thousand at most. Really I really wish I could have something that's collectible, but it is what it is. I think it's cool and I want to use it, but in South Africa that's not such a good idea because it may be appropriated without my consent. So yeah, I'll keep on looking for more items around the house, maybe find something that's cool. Yeah, it's a wind up watch. It's only a wind up.